Students, today we shall start second part of the lesson, the tsunami. In first part, you have seen how Ignatius saved his family members. In this part, second part, you will see about Tilly Smith, how Tilly Smith saved her parents and her sister. So, see the line on page number 27. Now, here is a story from Thailand. In second part, there is a story, and that story is related to Thailand. It is a real story, and it happened in Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in South Thailand. The Smith family of Smith, and they belonged to southeast England. From where they hail? They hail from southeast England. Were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. And why were they gathered there? They were gathered there to celebrate Christmas. So they belonged to southeast England and they gathered at the beach of Thailand to celebrate Christmas. And where was the beach? Beach resort in southern Thailand. It was located in the southern part of Thailand. So resort is a place where we go to enjoy our holidays. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Already I have mentioned the main character, Tilly Smith. So Tilly Smith was only 10 years old. She was a schoolgirl of 10 years. What was the age of Tilly Smith? Yes, Tilly Smith was 10 years old. Her sister was 7 years old and she had one more sister and that was younger sister. Her age was only 7 years. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Parents of Tilly Smith were Penny and Colin Smith. Perhaps Penny was the mother and Colin Smith was her father. It was 26 December 2004. So this incident took place on December 26th in the year 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. Deadly tsunami, there were tsunami waves and tsunami waves were fatal. Deadly means that can take life. So tsunami waves were fatal, were already on their way. It was moving, it was reaching, it was approaching where? To the southern side of Thailand. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake. They used for the girl, yes, girl's name was Tilly Smith and her parents and sister. So they had been triggered. They felt the violent reaction by a massive earthquake, and that violent reaction was because of the huge earthquake. Massive means huge, big, of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Of northern Sumatra, that was to the down of northern Sumatra earlier that morning, in the early morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. The water was rising. Swelling means rising. The water was swelling and kept coming in. And that water was coming inside. Where? At the beach. Penny Smith remembered. Penny Smith recalls. The beach was getting smaller and smaller because of the water. The beach was surrounded with water. That is why it looks that it was becoming small. I did not know what was happening. On sudden, she could not realize what was happening. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. She realized. Who did realize? Tilly Smith. That there was something wrong. She felt that something bad was happening. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson. At once, her mind returned to one of the lessons that she had read in England, and that was the chapter of geography. Just 2 weeks before, only one fortnight ago, she read one of the lessons of geography before she flew out to England with her family. Before leaving England to go to Thailand, she read one of the lessons 14 days ago. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise. She noticed that the water of the sea was rising and started to foam, and foam started gathering. Bubbles, not only foam, there was foam means leather. So on the surface of the water there was leather, there were balls of water, bubbles. Yes, there are ball shaped water and form whirlpools, and there was whirlpool, whirlpool. When the water takes turn at a particular place, that is known whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Himalayan island in 1946. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video. Now she recalls that in one of the videos she had seen in her class. What had she seen in the class? And told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquake. So she saw that there was the water rising, there was foam, there was bubbles, and she remembered the video that she had seen few days ago in England, and according to that video, that tsunami had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. In the year 1946, one of the tsunami hit where? Hawaiian islands. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video, and teacher of Tilly shown her where? In the class. What did she see? She saw one of the video, and that video was produced by whom? By her geography teacher. The video, and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and islands, and her teacher told her that tsunamis come because of earthquake. What are the reasons of tsunami? Earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. There are 3 regions of tsunamis that her teacher told her through a video when she was in England. Thank you.